So you've built an app or you own one, and now you want to make it go viral in 2025. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your app go viral without having a huge personal brand. I took my last app to 1,000 downloads in a day with $70 in spend without using my personal brand at all. And now I'm going to show you how you can do the same. And there's 3 crucial steps to making your app go viral. Number 1 is you need to have a visual screenshot inside of your app that you can use in videos. Number 2 is you need to figure out video concepts and traffic. Number 3 is you need to optimize for shares. If you can nail these 3 things, your app is going to get a ton of downloads, and in turn, you're going to be able to make a nice income for yourself. Step 1, having a visual screenshot inside of your app. So you want to think about having a screen inside of your app that's like screenshotable, or that is going to stand out to people in videos of your app in action. The best example of this is with Kali-ai and when they pioneered the scanning feature of their app, where you can just scan your food and then it tells you how many calories is in your food. Whenever people see this in a video, they're like, did that guy just scan his food and it told him how many calories is in it? And this element minted many other different types of apps using that core screen. And so there's apps that are like scan your supplements to see how efficient they actually are, scan your energy drinks to see how healthy they are for you, scanning products to look at the prices across different stores, etc. Another great example is Duolingo. So they gamified learning a new language, where you screenshot inside of the app to share your progress with your friends, with your social media, etc., because they gamified it and they made it screenshotable. To get inspiration of what to do here, you can go to mobbin.com and they allow you to see all the screens of the biggest apps in your niche. And so you can see exactly what they're doing for their onboarding flow, what all the different screens are, and what they're leveraging that's screenshotable to get people to share their apps. So you can go to mobbin.com and you can see all the different screens to use for inspiration. So once we figure out the visual effect that we're going to build into our app, then you need to go to step 2, which is the biggest part of this, which is figuring out your winning video concept and figuring out traffic. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to look up your app's niche on TikTok. So if the example of like Kali-ai, you would look up like AI calorie app and then on TikTok. And then you want to build a swipe file, the top 20 to 30 videos that perform the best for apps in that niche to get inspiration from. So now you're going to build a creator brief of the types of videos that you want made based off of that swipe file. And it's very, very important that you test a ton of different concepts. So here are the different types of concepts that you should have your creators testing: slideshows, talking head videos, green screen videos, conspiracy videos, text over screen videos, the like shocked hand over mouth, like I can't believe I just discovered this, get ready with me videos, day in the life videos. You want to have creators test every single video concept here, and you want to pay them $2 to $3 per 1,000 views to test this out. And you want to cap the most money they can make off a singular video, and then you want to do this until you find your winning concepts. You can actually automate this entire process right now by using WAP, and so let me just dive in really quickly and show you how to do it. So once you're inside WAP, you're going to want to navigate to your dashboard, which is on the left-hand side, the third from the bottom, and then you're going to go ahead and create a new WAP. And so let's do it under this organization, and let's just name this. Let's say if I was doing a clipping campaign for myself, and this could also just be like, for example, just whatever your company name is, and then UGC. All right, we're going to start over the screen recording right now. So once you're inside WAP, you're going to go to the third tab from the bottom on the left-hand side to your dashboard, and we're going to go then to the top right and hit New WAP. And then I'm going to do it under this organization, and I'm going to name this one of my old company's names, UGC campaign. Learn how to become a ZapX creator. And then boom, I'm fine with that. I'm going to create this. So boom, now I'm inside of here. And so as we can see here is all the different type of stuff that shows me the requirements I have to do. I've got to upload some media, do stuff here. But first off, I'm just going to go to the Earn tab. And I'm going to hit Add an App, add a content reward. I'm going to make this ZapX creator campaign. And then it is UGC in the software niche. I'm going to do a $10,000 budget. And I'm going to set the end date for about a month out. I'm going to go $3 per 1,000 views. Minimum payout, I'm going to go with $12, so they have to at least get 4,000 some views. The maximum payout is $500 for one video, which that'll actually bring my CPM down over time, because obviously if someone then gets 1 million views, it'll bring the CPM down. I'm not going to do a flat fee bonus. They can post on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. And then in here, I'm going to put in my asset. So I'm going to put in my creator brief, and then I'm going to add some requirements. Must tag ZapX. I'm going to say video must be at least 10 seconds long. Must show us only in a positive manner. Must show 3 seconds of B-roll using the tool. So you can add as many of these as you would like. No need for audio requirements. And I'm gonna hit continue. Now here I'll actually top up the balance. And so you can actually change, and you can use your WAP balance, you can do a card, you can do a bank transfer. And so that is how you actually go about setting up your content reward. And then once you push this live, it'll actually be available on the marketplace. So if we go to discover here, it'll be discoverable here then on WAP's Explore page, where we get millions of visitors every single week. So WAP's really cool because you can also chat with your creators inside of that WAP as well and help them out. You can build a course for them around how to make content for your company. You can do a weekly call in there and have like your top creators help out your bottom creators. So just makes it very, very easy to manage your entire creator process. So all of your creators, all your influencer marketing, it makes it very, very easy to have it all in one hub through WAP's content rewards. And if you guys want help setting this up, I'll put a link in the description as well for some help to get it set up. Now, as I mentioned, you'll be on WAP's Explore page. So you'll get traffic from WAP. But where the real secret is and where people get the best results is when they push then their WAP group to their audience and to their customers, because no one's going to be a better creator for your company than your users and your audience. And so when you turn your customers into your creators, it's very, very effective. And especially if you have like an affiliate list of people that are already promoting you, you're like, hey, you already make money promoting our product. You can make even more money now promoting us by making videos about us as well on these platforms. And you're also giving your audience an opportunity to make money with you. So it works incredibly, incredibly well. And whenever someone makes a submission, you have to either approve or decline it. So obviously you'll approve it if they followed your guidelines, and then they'll be eligible to get paid out and it'll track the views, and you'll decline it if they did not follow your guidelines. So now you're only paying for actual views that follow your guidelines, and you can test your concepts this way until you find your 1 or 2 winning concepts that drastically outperform the rest. For me, after my testing phase, my winning concept by a mile was Get Ready With Me videos. And I would have these girls naturally integrate my product into their video. So they would make videos like Get Ready With Me while I talk about how I'm a content creator while in college. And then they would briefly mention my app about how they got connected to brand deals. So once you discover this winning concept, you then make a new content reward, and then you tell the creators, hey, only make this one video format that is our winning concept. This is where you start to exponentially grow how many views you're getting to your app and start to scale up your creator budget. And now here's where it gets really crazy, is now you take the best performing organic videos, you get the Spark code, and you run them as a TikTok Spark ad. And if you don't know what a TikTok Spark ad is, basically the creator that posted the organic video can generate a code and they can give it to you, and then you can run that organic video as an ad through their profile, and it's incredibly, incredibly efficient. I ran my Spark ads with broad targeting, so I didn't do anything to the targeting. I just let TikTok's algorithm do its thing because it's so good. And I'll put up a screenshot around here to show the results and let them speak for themselves of the Spark campaigns that I ran. This is what scaled us to 1,000 downloads in a day off of literally $70 in spend. Now with WAP's content rewards, the creator also gives you the MP4 file to their video. So you also have that video if you want to repurpose it to your company's social media, if you want to run it as a meta ad or anything of that sort as well. So at this point, you should have creators posting multiple videos per day of your winning format, and you should be taking the best performing organic videos, running them as a Spark ad with anywhere between $20 to $50 a day behind each video. And so now you should have a decent amount of traffic to your app. And now we just pour even more gas on the fire. So step 3, now how do we get every single person that is downloading our app, how do we get the most of them possible to go ahead and share our app to socials with friends, etc. I built a finance app that I'll attach somewhere around here. I'll put a screenshot or video up here that every single time that you complete a lesson or you hit a new goal, it prompts you to share it to socials and brag about that, little dopamine hit you just got. This ties in with step 1 in building screens that are like screenshotable or shareable. Another way to do this well is obviously with an affiliate plan. The last step of my onboarding process for my app Paid was, hey, here's your affiliate link. go share this with people, and every single creator that joins with your link, you'll get 5% of their earnings in perpetuity. And so in turn, a large part of our downloads started to come from those referrals. And so when you can combine two incentives for them to share your app, one being like a dopamine hit of like, look at me, I just accomplished this goal, or the Duolingo-esque, like I just learned this new language, or I just completed this many days in a row learning new language, and they get that dopamine hit of sharing it on their story. And then you can combine that with a financial incentive of like, hey, when you share this link, like you are going to make money off of every single person that joins in perpetuity. Now you have people that are downloading it that are super, super incentivized to share your app because they're going to get a dopamine hit and they're going to have that financial incentive as well of they can actually make money. And now you have a user base that is dying to share your app. And now your app is just going parabolic, and all that you have to do is keep increasing your creator budget and growing your creator efforts, running more Spark ads and scaling up your ad budgets, and then optimizing your paywall to increase your conversion rate of people that are downloading it to actually becoming paying subscribers. This is literally the playbook for making apps go viral in 2025. So I hope this was valuable to you guys. Again, I'll have all links in the description of how to get started. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. And if you did like this video, drop a like, leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.